Bingo Cash lets players collect free gems daily without making a deposit, and those gems can be used to earn bonus cash for cash tournaments. The bonus cash itself is not withdrawable, but winnings from tournaments entered with bonus cash can be withdrawn. Bingo Cash Tawana. Here are 5 bingo apps worth checking in 2026 if you're specifically looking for daily bonuses or free rewards connected to real money play. Number 1 is Bingo Cash. Its official support page confirms a daily free gem system, plus a free roll tournament. Its App Store listing also advertises daily gifts and bonuses. Bingo Cash. Number 2 is Bingo Win Cash. The current App Store listing says it offers daily rewards, daily bonuses, daily challenges, and wheel spins, alongside real money bingo competitions. It also lists PayPal among its payment features. App Store 7. Number 3 is Bingo of Cash. Its App Store listing says players can sign in to claim a free bonus every day, while also offering Lucky Spin, Daily Quest, and other reward features. The listing says withdrawals use PayPal and Apple Pay. App Store 3. Number 4 is Bingo Rico. Its current App Store listing specifically includes a daily bonus that you can claim by logging in each day. The listing also says it has real cash tournaments, although cash game availability is restricted in certain locations. App Store 4. Number 5 is Bingo Cash from Papaya Gaming, but pay attention to the exact version and developer before downloading because multiple apps use very similar names. The official Bingo Cash service provides daily rewards and real money tournaments, while its withdrawal system has specific requirements and processing rules. Bingo Cash 5. One thing you should not assume is that every daily bonus equals withdrawable cash. Some apps give gems, coins, tickets, or bonus cash that can only be used inside the game. Bingo Cash is a clear example. Its bonus cash cannot be withdrawn directly, although eligible winnings from tournaments can be. Bingo Cash Tuner. Before playing, check the app's current eligibility rules, withdrawal requirements, and local availability. Real money features can be restricted by location, and promotional terms can change. So the 5 names to check are Bingo Cash, Bingo Win Cash, Bingo of Cash, Bingo Rico, and the official Papaya Gaming version of Bingo Cash. Focus on the actual withdrawal rules, not just the size of the advertised bonus. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app guides.